This video shows you how to change a crank position sensor in a 2007 to 2014 Escalade. It's going to be the same for Tahoes, Yukons, and many other GM vehicles. The first thing you're going to want to do is unplug the battery because the crank position sensor is located behind the starter. So the starter will need to be removed. Removing the starter is an easy process. Just remove the two 13mm bolts holding it on. Once removed, you can gain access to the crank position sensor. Just unplug it and it is held on with one 10mm bolt. Out with the old, in with the new.